So far, guys, we got like this way now. And then let me just grab that one thingy I always saw. Disclaimer, we're not good at this, guys.
Yes.
We're just,
First time.
yeah, we're just, trying.
My face.
Is that, yeah, this is the one I've been looking for.
That's from
So
the
you
cake
scrape
mix.
out, you scrape out all of those excess mixtures that are in this whisk.
The cake mix splashed all over. Oh, don't you mean this?
No, that's for the oil. Can you like get me a really big plate so we can put all of the stuffs there so it remains clean? We're not wearing masks and anything. We're still the ones eating this though.
This plate?
Yeah. So this is what I do, what I see from people who do videos online. Like this, they scrape the remaining mixtures out of the whisk.
My face is still wet from cake mix.
Alright, we're done with our mixture. So we're gonna preheat the oven and we're gonna get back. So this is our oven. We're gonna use that one because we'll be making like cupcakes, muffins like that. So yeah. So we're gonna preheat it, okay?
Hi guys, so we just finished preheating the oven. It's hot right now, so I'm not gonna touch it yet because I don't have my mittens.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna put the batter into these cupcake molders.
And then cupcake liners.
Yes.
We have different shapes of the
Yes.
silicone.
This is a star. Is that enough?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, maybe it will.
It will expand.
Mhm. Maybe not that much.
Okay, let's do the green. It smells good actually. Here is the green. We're not gonna pour add because we think that it's gonna expand. We're not sure. We're not like experts like Atikesha. Atikesha is the one who knows how to bake. At all four siblings, she is the only one to know how to bake. We don't know. So
we're trying.
yeah, we're trying. I wanted to like cook eggs here. I don't know if it's like allowed. There, it's done.
Okay, then we're putting them in there. So far, guys, this is the current situation. And Cian is currently wearing his mittens. Put it down, Jake. Okay. Oh, no. You should put it directly.
So like hold in
No,
tight.
no. I think we should put like.
I think we should pull this out.
Oh, I see. Oh, not near the electric one. Maybe above.
Here.
Okay, then put this one.
We replaced it.
Yeah, on that layer. Higher. Okay, that one. Is it pantay? Alright.
Yeah.
We're just gonna try
not
dough.
glowing anymore.
Just gonna try dough.
Okay, what did the box say?
It says 30 minutes. So we set it out into like 30 minutes and like the degree Celsius is like, guys, it's not written here, but we need to
170.
put 175. So I just like imagined.
Yeah, we guessed.
Mm-hmm.
So we're not gonna be surprised if it's a little bit overcooked.
This is our first batch.
Yeah.
Guys, it's currently looking like one, but look, it spilled this on the side. That's because silicone molders, guys, they are not in the same sizes. Okay. So it's too maalsa. I don't think we can put an icing on it later. But it's fine. Then we have this Bakersfield Whippet. Then I washed them already. We have mixtures left. And I'm gonna make the icing now. So, let's see if success.
I'm kind of nervous.
Me too. Just put it down good. It's okay if it's a failure. Careful, that's too hot.
It is. It is.
It is really hot. Maybe you should
Let it cool.
yeah. We're gonna come back later. Let me just get this thingy.
Maybe we should open it a little bit so the air comes out.
Guys, I think it's way too much.
Okay, we're gonna take it out. Where should we put it?
There.
It's too far away.
Let me just put your article here. Go! Go!
What happened?
Get it!
Oh.
I just took your article. Oh no!
Okay.
Success. Okay. It's crispy though, right?
Yeah.
Can you get a fork?
Honestly, it's crispy. Crispy.
Maybe lang. It's crispy but it's so moist on the sides naman. And
But there's moist?
yeah, and on the inside, it's just
Oh,
crispy on top. Feel it. They said if no mixture will be put here that's not dry, it's cooked na daw. Even on steamer method. This one. 'Cause that's the most palpak look like. Okay. Idiin.
We open?
Diba?
It's so soft.
Ooh, don't do that. So we're putting out the paste in a 1/2 cup. 1 cup. No. Oh, see? You have to use this one.
I think that should be good because it will still expand for the cupcakes.
Our cupcakes are a bit crunchy on top.
Yeah, but softy inside.
But yes, anong video niya? Take a picture.
Guys, we're currently struggling.
Look, I have the whipped cream all over my body. With some places in the house. That's because we have a really small mixing bowl.
Yeah, we got dirty. Even the phone I'm holding is dirty.
Okay, turn it upside.
We use this.
Turn it upside. Let's Bakersfield
Whip it. Okay, so we made some frosting and we colored it red. Ate's putting it in a piping bag. And I already made this. It was supposed to be Elmo. He still hasn't had enough yet. But we're gonna decorate the other ones. Okay, so I'm gonna decorate it. I'm gonna make a mouth for it using purple, chocolate.
Have you seen the sprinkles?
Yeah, it was in there. Why?
Uban ka sa Sabado sa kuha, mamalit like other materials in it.
For baking?
You're
Oh
not
my
gonna do
God.
this again anymore? You're not?
I thought we had enough already.
Ay, dili na ako sinasabi.
I want to.
Wala naman tayo premix.
I need just one more purple. There. Yay! It's like a monster. I like it. We still have some of that. Is that okay?
Nito.
At least decorating that one.
I need to get the lighter cellophane.
Okay, so yeah.
Guys, there were 4 cupcakes that we made. So sorry, it's a bit messy, but yeah, because we put a lot of mixture on it, we decided to just cut it out. These are the remaining ones. And then these are my design. This is my design. But it fell, guys, and Rai did it again na lang. And Rai's design. Also this. And this is my first type. Not good that much, but it's a bit okay for a beginner though.
We're gonna try the cupcake I made. It has mangoes because I like mangoes.
Honest reaction, huh?
I can taste a lot of whipped cream and it tastes a little bit like a brownie.
Maybe it's too much na.
I think it's because we overcooked it. Yeah.
Pero
we
makaon
overcooked
siya,
it.
dili siya pagod kaayo.
Yes. And the burnt part we just cut off and then we made like cake balls.
Show them the cake balls. Cake balls. Then we're making this one for his baon tomorrow.
It's a good. I love it.
What if tomorrow na lang ni mo na yan? Ito
Why?
mag-icing.
Why?
So it's fresh. Let's just stack these two together. Oh. Dito na to sila isulod. How does it taste? Rate it.
An 8.
Good. It's good for a first timer, right?
Yeah, but it could be a 10 if it wasn't a little bit burned.
Okay.
It's our first time.